may sariling mga ideas ang mga yan. So, malaki matututunan mo kung marunong kang makinig sa kanila. Binibigyan mo ng timbang ang mga ideas ng mga team members mo. Anong dalawang uri ng authority? Formal authority at saka moral authority. Diba? So, tandaan nyo yun lagi. Ano pa? Natutunan. Ano yung triple E? Efficiency, effectiveness, economy. Okay? Mabilis ang paggawa, epektibo ang output or ang produkto, at hindi nagwawaldas ng resources. Di ba natutunan natin yung kanina dito sa isang exercise? Right? What else did you learn? Thank you very much. Goodbye. Meron pa ba? Sinakyan naman. O sino pa may sasabihin?
Si ma'am.
Pagkakataon na, mamaya na yung mga messages na ng mga VIPs. So, para meron kayong titignan tulpo. Para diretso nyo akong matatanong. Who else has an idea? Sige, pwede lang distribute. Meron pa bang idea? Pahalagahan natin yung activity na to, ang memory na nakuha natin dito, ang lessons, pasalamatan natin. Kunin kayo dito, magkaroon kayo ng bonding, para magkakilala kayo, para gawin kayong buong team. Okay? Alvin, may sasabihin ka?
Observation during activities. Nabaliwala yun kung gano'n katagal sa company.
Correct. Oo, may level playing field. Matagal ka man, veterano ka man, bago ka man. Pagdating sa team building, kulang ba? Yung page 1 ibigay sa iba, yung page 2 sa iba. Hindi. Mag-share-share na lang kayo. Mag-share-share. Pwede. Oo, yung Quezon City at Makati, mag-share kayo. Hindi. Yun, tama yun. Sa team, minsan kailangan isipin natin na pantay-pantay tayo. Kailangan lulukin natin minsan ang ating napakapait na pride. Para sa ikauunlad ng team. Para nagagawa yung goal. Who else has something to contribute? Yes.
Hindi natatapos na maayos yung isang task pag hindi nagtutulungan.
Correct. Kapag team effort. Pero teka lang ha, word of advice. Hindi ibig sabihin na nag-team building tayo dito, hindi ka na magpa-function kapag nag-iisa ka na lang. Kalokohan yan. Ang maturity, nasusukat siya kapag kaya mong gumawa sa sarili mo, kaya mong gumawa kapag nasa team ka. Hindi yung kailangan mo team lagi, naku, dito ko ito magagawa kasi wala akong kasama. Barkadahan na lang yan. Okay? Dapat marunong kang mag-function on your own as an independent unit and as a member of a team. Okay? Who else has something to add? Ang galing! Tama yan! O, titingin ka sa mga sabi ng Diyos lang. O, may sasabihin ka? Observation mo sa ginawa natin.
Ano para sa mga pagsama sa
Kaya ka na umiyak. Ano ba yan?
sa bali nagkaroon sila sa sarili nilang opinion sa mensa. Para lang gamula yung gusto nilang gawin sa team nila.
Okay. Sa team ninyo, hindi sa team nila. Lahat kayo, isang team lang kayo ha. Nakita lang natin dito yung team dynamics, pero lagi ninyong tatandaan. Pagbalik sa Amistad, walang team hokak, walang team fights, walang team bangis, walang team letmaku. Isang team lang kayo. You're one big happy family. Okay? Ngayon, bago mag-message, i-announce ko yung results ng mga games.
May meeting sa bawang.
Meron pa bang ibang gustong magdagdag ng insight, observation, feedback, comment, suggestions? May suggestion box dyan. Hulog nyo doon. O sino may gusto pang sabihin, ito na ang pagkakataon upang ibulalas ang mga saluubin. Ikaw. Hindi siya. Ikaw. Ikaw na.
Kaya po sir, kanina may kanya-kanyang grupo pero sa bandang huli, nakakaisa pa rin sa major kami.
Good.
Tama.
Nga pala ha, reminder din, do not lose your sense of humor. Kahit gaano kahirap minsan ang trabaho natin, we find time to laugh. Kapag kaya mong tawanan ng sarili mo, lahat ng challenges kaya mong malampasan. Have a sense of humor. Be fun. Be wonderful. Delight the customer. Mas mahirap sumimahot kaysa sa ngumiti. Ikaw, nagsalita ka na ba? Okay, next na. Okay.
Ayun, papasalamat ako ng
Ay, taray, parang politiko lang. Okay, Echeverry ka.
Paano yung kay Belo?
Di ka naririnig, di ka naririnig. Ay, hindi pwede kang tumayo. Ay, jukat, Ness. Dito ka. Sige, sige. Okay, go.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay boss, kay Ma'am Lea, sa lahat ng staff dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi mabubuo yung pre-building. And marami sa atin ang takot sa isang bagay, pero ginawa niyo yung kasayunan. May tao din na takot mag-swimming kasi hindi marunong maglangoy, pero nagawa niya dun dahil sa
Ay,
ganun natin.
tumitingin sa iba, oh, ay siya yun.
Okay, nagkaroon tayo ng lakas na loob para gawin yung mga bagay na pinakatakutan natin. Which is, nagpapasalamat talaga.
March, alisin mo ang camera mo. Gumagalaw.
Ilang tagapag...
May mayor talaga.
Tagapag talaga.
Kasi nalaman ko dito sa... nagkaroon sila ng...
Sila? Hindi ko kasama.
Kasi nagkaroon po kami ng marawakan bonding within...
Oo. One day ka lang. Assist yes, sir. Oh, very good.
So, naging matagumpay naman dahil siyempre nagkaroon sila ng idea about team building. Especially
Hindi, sir.
of course, I expect na gagamitin natin ito start tomorrow.
Bakit hindi start today? Today na.
Today,
Oh, bakit meron pang postponement? Oh.
start today.
Internal customer system.
Gagamitin natin para may improvement sa ginawa natin.
Ang galing! Parang kapitan! Thank you. With that, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin kasi mukhang 2,000 plus kayo. Abutin tayo ng dinner time. Hihilingin ko muna si Miss Blue na magbigay ng kanyang mensahe pagkatapos niya si Sir Dan. Results! Okay, ang nanalo.
Can you give the scores by event?
Of course, scores by event. Ang nauna sa Body Telegraph, yung
And Emmy and Sir, hassle-free. Okay, let's clap for helping everyone to stretch your right hand. Put it on the shoulder of the person next to you.
Right hand. Mahirap. Magkakuha na ako. Wow.
Is everyone holding
Dito tayo.
someone? Okay? Pa-touch naman. Alright.
Balikat na.
Okay. I ask you to do this because I want you to pat the shoulder of the person next to you for putting a good job.
Wow.
Good job. Next, I want you to do something else. I want you to do this.
Dali ah.
Okay? Pat yourself. You did a good job. Okay. Of course, it was initially when I wanted to put this team building together, I was a bit hesitant to even raise it to management, Dan, because I knew from the very beginning that it was something that was very costly, medyo mahal. Alista, we're only celebrating our 3rd year on Valentine's Day.
wow!
Next week. So, but I was surprised that when I mentioned it to Dan, without batting an eyelash, he said, yeah, why don't we look into it? So, immediately I got excited. I got in touch with Emmy and, what I wanted to share with you, this is the first time that I'm really seeing everyone together, sabay-sabay, like in one group, one bus and all. The first time I saw you guys was during your Christmas party, but not in this kind of gathering. Na-erase all the things that, I had so many questions in my mind initially about how you guys are towards one another. Sometimes I would hear feedback from other people about one person, and there are things that are happening. I know, amongst But since yesterday when I saw you guys together and I saw that you're coming here, attending here like open-minded, and I know that you're attending it because you want to see changes in the organization also, which is very good. Based on my observation today, I can't help but commend one person at the start. Let's clap for Alvin. For me, what I saw this morning was a key learning for each and every one. Okay? He was totally separated from the team. He was like 2 meters away from the team. But every time the coach would whistle, he would turn on his own. What is the key learning there? Ibig sabihin, for me, it's my personal opinion. Like, maski walang babantay sa taong to, he will follow company rules, regulations. He doesn't have to be guarded. He doesn't have to be watched. So I hope, like, all of us learned something from that. You know, nung una kong nakita, I was laughing. Sabi ko, ano nangyari? Pinabayaan sa akin. Sorry, Alvin, no? I was trying to call Amar. Amar, one ship is lost. He was so far. But, true. I mean, twice nakala si Alvin. Okay? He was led back to the team, and for the second time, naiwan na naman for whatever reason, I really don't know. Next time, I think you should hold tighter so that you don't get lost. But, you know, like, the second time that I saw it, parang, wow, grabe. This guy doesn't have to be watched. This guy doesn't need to have the bosses watching over his back just to be able to function. So, I hope lahat tayo nagtutulungan. Dan may not always be around. Eman will not be around all the time. Your respective OICs or team branch heads are not there all the time. So what I want to invite here is the malasakit to team company. Let us not look at it personal gain lang. Okay, I'm good at what I do. I have several guests. I have VIP guests. I have no. Diba? I don't want to preempt Dan, but I'm sure he's going to make an announcement later why we had the team building. Okay? Guys, you did a very good job. I don't regret leaving my work for 2 days to be with you. It was worth my time. Seeing everyone participate and seeing everyone gel together for Amistad's goal. Okay? What's our goal, guys? Alam mo, yung pagkakasabi niyo parang gano'n. Like, can we like give it a little more height, please? Okay, what's Amistad's goal? I'd like to share a little more. So for now, I'd like to give the floor to Dan for his message. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Pansin nyo yung pag-open pagdating ng January, biglang maraming bago. But parts of it, maraming shock. Si Emma na-shock din. Siguro kayo rin na-shock yung biglang na-announce namin na at least in-training Miss Drea si Emma na sa operations manager. First of all, bago, of course, alam natin, no, hindi mangyayari ito not from Miss Drea. So, I'd like to thank her personally now, and of course, all of us, we can give her a big Nung malaking bagay kasi sa atin, nag-open tayo November, medyo dumami yung tao. In a way, no, kinikwento ko parati kay Miss Blue dati na nakakapag one-on-one ako sa mga tao na pwede ko masabi ng kilala ko ang isa't isa. No? And then last year, medyo nawala na yun. Siguro dahil sobrang dami nyo na, susunod, well, nagkahiwalay, no? May Makati na, may Quezon, so medyo mahirap na. So, magandang opportunity to, dahil sabi ni Ma'am, gastos, pero wala yun eh. Kasi ang mas importante is makapagtrabaho tayo na maayos. Hanap buhay na lahat, foremost, no? Kasi hanap buhay ito, kailangan ma-value natin, but at the same time, kailangan mag-enjoy tayo. Kasi hindi ka pwede magtrabaho ng maayos. Ako naniniwala ko, hindi ka pa makapagtrabaho ng maayos, hindi ka makapagservisyo ng maayos kung hindi ka masaya. Masaya sa trabaho mo, masaya sa sarili mo, masaya sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho. Yun ang goal rin natin. Kaya nagka-team building tayo. So, first step lang ito eh. Mahabang journey yun. Marami pang mangyayari. Magkakaroon pa rin yung minsan palitan, minsan yung tampuhan, etc. Pero maliit na bagay na lang yun pag maganda yung attitude natin sa isa't isa. Always be positive. Alam naman natin na hindi tayo pwede maging BFF sa lahat, sa isa't isa. Pero at least, no, may effort tayo na kilalanin sila, na intindihin sila, at kung ano man yung pagkukulang, i-embrace natin yun para sa trabaho masaya tayo. Diba? So, hindi lang yun sa inuman, kasi hindi naman inuman lang parati para makalimutan natin yung problema, no? Pati talaga sa trabaho, ang importante para sa akin, no, bigyan nyo ng value yung trabaho mo. Seryosohin nyo. Kasama na ito yung mga detalye ng pagpasok ng maaga, huwag mag-absent, pagkatapos irespeto natin yung schedule, yung lugar, gawin natin, magkakaroon tayo ng tusa para matuto at mag-improve sa skills natin, etc. Pero mahaba yun. Pero sa ngayon, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa lahat. Well, again, Miss Bea, thanks to Hassle Free, and then thank you rin sa lahat na nandito. 99.9% nandito. Sorry na lang, may 0.01% pa na nawala. Pero goodbye na yun. Ayun yung agreement natin. Malungkot man, pero kailangan nangyari na ganun. Pero at least na napakita natin na nakikita ninyo na binibigyan nyo ng importansya ang trabaho nyo at ang pagsasama natin sa isa. So, thank you very much. Sana lumaguta tayo.
So thank you very much, Ms. Blue, Boss Dan, and to every one of you, day 1 ends here. Pwede mo kayo mag-enjoy kung anong gagawin ninyo, pero yung part 2 dito sa inyo ay tapos na. Kung meron kayong mga itatanong, may cellphone number dyan, may email address, direksyon na yung tanong about customer service, team building, etc. Malamok na dito, ako'y magpapasalamat at magpapaalam sa inyo.
Yan ang battery.
Bro, pag